Welcome to my channel The Bong English. In this video I'll show you how you can make pen holder by using paper. So let's begin. To make a pen holder you need to buy 6 A4 pages with 6 colors. Then you need to cut each page by 21 into 22 centimeters. Then you need to fold the page very carefully. In this way I am folding on the video, so watch the video very carefully and make sure you are folding equally. Yes, watch the video very carefully and try to buy good quality paper, otherwise the paper may tear. Another fact, make sure your both the hands are very clear and dried. Fold in this way. I am folding the video. Then please do this kind of folding. Then you fold this side in this way. Be very much careful about it. Alright. You fold the other side as well. Make sure you are folding equally. Alright. Be very much careful that you are folding equally. Then do this folding as well. Follow the steps. You can easily make the pen holder of your own. Yes. Then fold in this way. I am folding on the video. Fold in this way. Yes. Look at the video very carefully. Fold in this way. Then fold the other side as well. Yes, fold the other side. Be very much careful about it that you are folding equally. Alright. Your paper may tear, so please try to buy good quality paper. Alright. Then you need to put this side to the other side. Then you need to paste gum. You need to put gum to that side. I'll show you everything. Yes, let me put the gum. You do not need to put too much gum. The paper may tear. So this is a caution that you need to remember. Then you need to paste the page in this way. Yes. Be very much careful. You need to paste the whole page in this way. Then put gum to this corner as well, to this side as well. This one pocket is almost ready. This is how you need to make 6 pockets. Yes, you need to make 6 pockets. Yes, you can see I have made already with 6 colorful pages. If you want to make some colorful pen holder, then you need to put gum to this side and paste that pocket to that side. I'll show you everything. You need to put gum to this side and paste the one of the pockets you want to paste. Choose the color of your own. Do not put too much gum. I'm putting too much gum. This is something which is very bad. Yes. Then you need to paste this pocket in this way. I will show you each and everything in this video. Look, I have pasted this pocket. I put it. Then I will put. You can see I have put all the 5 pockets. One is left. I will put that pocket 2. I'll paste the gum and put in this way. Look, I have pasted all the 6 pockets with 6 colors. It is looking really good. The back is not made yet. To make the back, you need to buy a cardboard. This cardboard is also free if you buy shards or something like this. Then you need to make the size of it by pen, then cut by scissors. Then you need to put some gums, then paste the whole 6 pockets to that back. I have pasted already. My back is ready. You need to wait. You can see the pen holder is ready. It is looking really cool, and this butterfly I have bought from the bookshop. Thank you very much for watching.